All right, so this is the unboxing of the Transcend DrivePro520. Now I have this dash cam from one of my cars. This is for the other one. So my wife and I both have a camera. You never know. And one thing I can say, being that I had it for a few months already, is that it's very awesome. We tried a couple of dash cams already, and this one is by far the best one at this time that we tried. So I'm gonna do the full unboxing, and then maybe I'll clip a video of it at the end, just to show you the quality. Okay. So just to show you the box, it's 1080p or 720p, in and out. 720, you could have it to 720 inside or 480. But outside 1080, it had regular 1080 and it had the full HD. So dual lens records inside the vehicle and obviously outside. It has it has 4 infrared lights, red lights, so you can see. It's like an LED red light. You can see inside the car. It's not the best, but it does show like the face of the driver and stuff. Almost like this. I want to say this is a little bit of exaggeration, but maybe just a little less than what you can see here. You know, they have to advertise the best, but that's just my honest review. Front lens is 130 degree viewing angle, which is good. I heard that the wide angle lens, it kind of gives a fisheye effect. It's not good. So they said, I think they were recommending between 120 to 140 or something like that. So this is like right there in the middle. This is good. It is 30 frames per second, but it's not bad. I'm surprised by the quality compared to the other cameras. Even one that we had was a cheap camera, but it was like 1080p at 60 frames, but it's definitely not as good as this. So there you go. I recommend updating the software. You can take pictures. Believe it or not, especially when it's day out, the quality is really, really good. I'm really impressed by the quality. All right, so that's just my opinion based on the fact that I've used it already. This is my second one that I'm getting. Now we're gonna go right into it. Oh, it does come with a free 32 gigabyte memory card, which is good. Now, this is the unit itself. Nothing different, same as the one I got before. Nothing changed, it looks the same, solid. It has the USB connector. This is the emergency record button at the bottom, and you connect it here. This is the free 32 gigabyte card that they give you, which is good because it's their brand. It's, you know, the 32 is pretty spacious, especially for 1080p at 60 frames. It's not bad. Okay, so this, I can imagine, is the power unit in the mount. We opted to get the sticky mount. So this is the suction mount, not the sticky mount. We opted to get the suction mount just so we can move it around. So there you go. It's pretty small, and honestly, it does work good. And you know how some sticky mount, suction mounts kind of like loses suction and falls off. We had the dash cam over like 1 year, 2 years now, or just about a year. I did a review on it, so this is more of an in-depth review and my opinions on it. But so far, the suction is pretty good. We did take it out a few times and we repositioned it and moved it between cars, and it's pretty good. So here goes the long cord that they give you. So this does, you could, I guess, attach it to the the curvature of the cutout, or whatever you call that, on the window. But we didn't do that. And it comes with some booklets. Warranty But basically, it's real simple. It's not much to it. Just I would just say update it for whatever software it has. Just a power cord again. So this is the actual unit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show a video of the dry footage right after this. But yeah, it's really not bad. This swivels. You could turn to the left or to the right. You can even turn it all the way around to the front if you want. Not that you would do that, but don't forget to take the sticky stuff off. It is Wi-Fi compatible, so you could view, if you download the app, you could view it on your phone. That's the generated password for the Wi-Fi. You could change it, I'm guessing. All right, well, that's it. That's my review, and now I'm gonna take some dry footage.
In 800 feet, turn right onto the H. Hudson Parkway ramp.
Support for S-Town comes from Rocket Mortgage by Quicken Loans. Rocket Mortgage is designed to give you confidence when it comes to refinancing your existing mortgage or buying a home, letting you understand all the details so you can be confident that you're getting.
Turn right onto the H. Hudson Parkway ramp.
I thought he was gonna get tatted the fuck up, blow his brains out or something. Fuck, I don't know. And the more I got to doing it, you know, I realized, you know, we're in a rut. You know, we need some money, and he helped us out. He helped a lot.
Bubba and Tyler co-own Black Sheep Inc. together, and Bubba started noticing they'd have a bill about to come due for the business. They'd be wondering how they were going to pay it, and then conveniently John would come in and hand over $300 or $400 and ask for another tattoo on his chest. Bubba says people around here don't screw down money like that, but John would, just in the nick of time, and then schedule another appointment for soon after.
You might not have said helping you out. You said $2,000, $3,000 for a couple weeks span. You just helped me out. You just got all my bills covered. You just got everything